Good afternoon from North Tyrone. Welcome to the second part of the video series based on the drill that I purchased on eBay. This video will focus on dismantling the drill and having a look inside to see if we can gather what's wrong with it and determine if it's going to be worth fixing at all. First of all, what you have to do is to get, there's 9 screws on the side, 4 in the front body, and they're all T10 torque, So you just slacken those. See, I can maybe do it a wee bit faster here by doing this. These screws are all absolutely the same. We'll see. I'll get them out in a minute. There's one more to go there. You can see that. Right. That should allow us to get the cover off. Yep, there we are. That's the cover off. Right. We'll have a look. What's going on there? As you can see, I don't know if you can see, the brushes have a little bit of wear on them, but should be interfering with the drill going. I suspect it might need an armature. What you do is, lift it out like that. If you look at the motor disconnects from the gearbox, there's a wee cog there. And this part, the brush card, disconnects with 2 T10 screws as well. All the same size of screwdrivers, you can basically take this to bits with the one screwdriver. I used the drill with the long T10 on it, just to speed up the time of the video. So this is the part you need to replace. Brush card in this here. Probably this field coil will come with it. Although if you had the motor and the brushes, you could reuse this part, this actual metal part that slides off. That's the field coil. I suspect this is what I'll have to buy. And to purchase this, for example on eBay, cost you between 40 and 50 pounds. So since the drill cost second hand about £15, £4 postage, it's hard to determine that it'll be worth that. So technically, if I spend £50 on this and count nothing of my time, I'll have effectively spent £70. The drill that you can buy a new one at £70. So it'll not make sense. But since we've come this far, I'll show you how to put it back together in the next video. So tune in for part 3.